Welcome back everyone, I am Shubham and you are watching The Wrestling Battle. Friends, with Backlash in the rear view mirror and SummerSlam ahead, WWE heads into July with a focus on Extreme Rules. The annual pay-per-view sees the rules thrown out the window and rivalries taken to the next level. Extreme Rules goes down on Sunday, July 19th. While the location of the event has not been confirmed, it seems likely the show will take place at the WWE Performance Center in Orlando, Florida. Friends, WWE has not yet announced any matches for the event, but there seems to be some clear directions for some of the top superstars of Raw and SmackDown. In this video, I am going to tell about the early match card prediction of WWE Extreme Rules pay-per-view. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can watch all my latest video. So friends, let's start this video. Coming to the first match, and I think it is going to happen in between Drew McIntyre versus Bobby Lashley, and it will be an Extreme Rules match. Obviously, for the WWE Championship, feels like there's nowhere else for McIntyre to go at this point. Lashley has a small excuse for why he lost to McIntyre at Backlash, and WWE is not shy about running the same matches through multiple pay-per-views. Placing them in an Extreme Rules match allow McIntyre to fight an uphill battle against Lashley, MVP, and anyone MVP can bring into the fold. Of course, R-Truth and Lana can tip the scales back in the champion's favor in the mind. So coming to the next match, and I think it is going to happen in between Randy Orton versus Christian, and it will be an unsanctioned match. As we know, the Orton brought Christian out of retirement after challenging him to an unsanctioned match on the June 15 edition of Raw. Christian, furious at Orton's treatment of Edge following their greatest wrestling match ever at Backlash and not wanting to back down from the challenge, accepted. That only led to a low blow by Ric Flair and a punt kick from Orton for the 3 count. The story can't end there, through it could drag out, but Extreme Rules feels like the perfect platform to run back the unsanctioned idea again, and this time with the actual match. So coming to the next match, and I think this is going to happen in between Rey Mysterio versus Seth Rollins. This is a match that seems more on track for a long build to SummerSlam, but the possibility exists that some variation of the match also take place at Extreme Rules. This could also be a spot for Dominic Mysterio's in-ring debut for WWE. Rey and Dominic teaming against Rollins' discipline, Murphy and Austin Theory would keep the Rey versus Rollins match fresh but add some extra build. So coming to the next match, and I think this is going to happen in between Braun Strowman versus Fiend for the Universal Championship. This is another match that might be pushed off to SummerSlam, but Strowman has no lined up as his next challenger after beating The Miz and John Morrison at Backlash pay-per-view. Bray Wyatt's appearance on the June 19th SmackDown should provide insight into if these two will pick up the story after Strowman beat Wyatt as Bray Wyatt, not the Fiend, at Money in the Bank. So coming to the next match, and this is going to happen in between Asuka versus Nia Jax. It may be an Extreme Rules match or a steel cage match. Friends, the women battled to a double countout at Backlash, and Asuka won the rematch on the June 15 edition of Raw, capitalizing on Jax shoving the referee, and that same referee use a fast count. Looking at those results, you look at how they can eliminate countouts or referee tomfoolery. Place Asuka and Jax in the cage and you escalate the drama before Asuka moves on to a bigger summer program with Charlotte Flair. So coming to the next match, and this is going to happen in between Daniel Bryan versus AJ Styles for the Intercontinental Championship. Friends, I think this will be a submission match. Friends, in a perfect world, a 60-minute iron match between these two would be the direction to go. But it's hard to see WWE dedicating 60 minutes of a pay-per-view built around no rules match to a classic wrestling match. With Style inviting Bryan to his title celebration on the June 19th SmackDown, it doesn't seem these two are done. So look for a match that plays into strength of both them, a submission match. The next match, I think it may be happen in between New Day versus Cesaro and Nakamura. Friends, the tag divisions in Raw and SmackDown have been a mess in recent months, with neither brand seeing their titles defended in serious competition with any regularity. On June 12, Nakamura and Cesaro picked up a win over New Day on SmackDown that should set up a tag team title match at Extreme Rules if we follow along with the standard path of WWE booking. So coming to the next match, and I think this is going to happen in between Sheamus versus Jeff Hardy. Friends, definitely there is a stipulation is going to add in this match. Friends, Hardy and Sheamus have split their matches so far, with Sheamus getting a big victory in their showdown at Backlash and Hardy knocking Sheamus from the Intercontinental title tournament. There is still a lot of bad blood here after Sheamus attempted to frame Hardy for drunk driving and Hardy retaliated by showing urine in his face. There is also possibility this match takes place in steel cage and Asuka vs Zax gets the fall count anywhere stipulation. But for now, letting these men tear apart the building seems a solid direction. Friends, these are the matches that I think that may happen at Extreme Rules pay-per-view. Basically, this is my Extreme Rules match card predictions. Friends, what is your prediction for Extreme Rules pay-per-view? Please do comment in the comment box. And friends, if you want to get every latest update regarding pro wrestling or wrestling world, you can also visit on our website. Our website name is wrestlingbattle.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe this channel and take care yourself. For now, bye bye.